We're out here on a project in Fontana, California called Stewart Development. What we have here is a project that we do for this client, Lord Constructors, and we've done many of these buildings in this territory here in Fontana. There are some questions that have popped up online, and some of those questions I'd like to answer today. One of the questions is, how accurate are your bids? Our bids are extremely accurate. We take our time and we go through them and we look at all the details for all the trades that we do on all the projects, whether it's metal framing, drywall, doors, ceilings, insulation, restroom accessories, T-bar. We give them numbers for all those items. We take our time and go through them, and we give them a detailed list on the time, the labor, and what it will take to do that aspect of the job. However, there are some times that the client comes in and wants to change some things, and we call those change orders in the industry. And what we do is we go through the details of it. Sometimes there's a credit in the change order, and sometimes there's an addition to the proposal based on change orders. We give those to the client. All parties agrees so that everybody is on the same page and there's no surprises with added cost or anything. Now, there are times that we do miss stuff on jobs and on bids, and being in the industry for over 30 years, I pride myself on our integrity and our honesty, and we sometimes absorb those. If the cost is really high, I will go to the client and I will talk to them, and if it's not in their budget, we will do the job and do it with the number that we gave them, and we will eat that part of the job. However, there's not too many times that we've had to do that in the last 10, 15 years. Another question that I get asked a lot right now, especially in these times, is how do you deal with price increases for all your material? That is a great question, and we've been set with a difficult task these last couple of years with the stuff that's happened in the world, and we are seeing increases in all the material that we purchase on a daily basis. Sometimes 2 times in a day we're seeing prices increase. What we do is we honor our bid, but we do come to the customer and we ask them if they want to sign a contract now. We can buy materials based on today's prices instead of prices 6 months down the line, and we can buy the materials at today's cost, which we're seeing in some cases on a couple projects that we have where the customer has saved about $55,000 just in steel increases in the 6-month period. So that's how we deal with that issue, and we've had about 8 jobs do that right now, and it's been really good. Saved the customer some money and kept the job on budget. Another question that I get asked is, do we finance projects? My quick answer to that is no, we don't finance. We are a construction company and we don't have the resources like a bank to finance projects. Some of these projects cost quite a bit of money, and we are a cash-based business, and so we don't finance projects. Another question that I get asked is, how long have you been in business? What you're really asking is, how experienced are you in the construction industry? Well, since my late teens, I've been in this construction industry doing many things from metal framing to drywall over the years. I have hands-on experience in all the trades. I've done everything that our company does, from the framing to the drywall to the doors to the windows to insulation to cleanup. I know exactly how the process should go, and I've trained most of my men on what my products look like in the end. We have techniques in the industry that surpass a lot of my competitors. We do a top-notch job in a very timely manner, and we do it by quality and integrity. The question that I get asked a lot is, what about these companies that come and go? Well, there's a lot of them that come and there's a lot of them that go, but we have been established and rooted in the community for about 25 years in the industry doing the things that we do. One last thing to wrap this up, I'd like to say this about TI Construction. We believe in an honest day's work for an honest day's pay. Thank you. I'll see you again soon.